ain't no gone nowhere. Me there you see him where yes. Yo, shit. Why go on people? Yo, a long time not chatting in. First of all, Kevin Too Crazy shirts are ready, so go on cop a shirt. If you not cop a shirt, yo, fuck this. I have no more YouTube video if you not cop a shirt. Alright, I joke man. But the Kevin Too Crazy shirts are already, the link will be in the description. You go over there, see what shirt you like, cop a shirt, support the thing. Anyways, you know what I talk about today? The friend zone. That place we know so well. Some of us men. That stinking place that some of us men have been banished to and we are yet to return. Can't come back on the friend zone. Shit. I'm a chat to you see as men, we are responsible for whether a female see as somebody she want to get a pum pum to, aka a potential partner, or somebody she want to tell who she get him pum pum to, aka a pen pal, the friend. See? Now, all the man always find himself in our friend zone. Let me tell you how to escape the friend zone. The first and only thing you need to do, a state your position when you just meet a girl. Make sure you know where you come from. You hear me? Me ain't no sidekick thing. Come here no phone. You see me, babes? Me ain't no unstoppable, no Kim Possible thing. Had a pum pum me a pray. Then, simple put, me no want your friendship. Me want maybe you're not gonna do it so raw. If you don't state which position you apply for when you just meet a girl, then she will automatically just chuck you in her friend zone, you see me? And if you not make no moves, she will just chuck you in her friend zone. And when you get chucked in her friend zone, you not get in her friend zone. I mean, you know how messed up it is for a girl looking at your eyes and say, Kevin, I like you. I really like you. As a friend, as a brother, as a pastor, as a pen pal. What? Honestly, me don't want to hear you come talk about, yo, you want to love me as a friend. When me there, I want you to love me like a stripper. I want you to squeeze me neck and sit down. I just want you to deal with me and wait. I can't tell man boy you love man as a friend. And fuck off with your friendship. After me I pre some virginal wetness, the only wetness you really want man touch. I wipe your tears from your eye. Me tell you some name tissue. The Ross friendship, ship will look. I read my Bible. As shocking as it may seem, yes, I read my Bible. And if I can recall, God never said to Adam, say, take this woman and call her your friend, pen pal, bestie, duckface. Him said, take this woman and call her your wife. Hey, you, yeah, you. With that. And since I was brought up with Christian principles, I will follow what the Bible says on many occasions. And since they establish in the Bible, tell a friends one thing no there. There's nothing between a penis and a vagina that say friendship. It's like women don't know the shit they put men through when they put them in the friend zone. You fuck up a lot of shit. It's not easy knowing that the person you like or love sees you as nothing but a friend. She want hold hand when you are brief squeeze up your breast like jelly. Don't Shelly? You know how much scrotal socks have been turned Papa Smurf blue. Zine balls them blue till them purple. Blurple balls. Friend zone give man. Fuck the friend zone. You see the truth is, and every man out there, a girl like a pre for deal with. See? And then every girl out there, a man like a pre for deal. Because honestly, some people deserve to be in the friend zone. An example of this, Chris Brown and Rihanna. If Rihanna did have sense and use the friend zone wisely, she would have put that vanilla skin Bobby Brown in the friend zone. And things would have been more nice. And she wouldn't get the Kimbo slice. We have the friend zone, so you know, we put girls in the friend zone. But every time we put a girl in our friend zone, she still can't get the D. When a girl put you in her friend zone, the chances of you getting the P anorexia very slim. Super slim. The friend zone is just bullshit. Because a woman will friend the guy she needs in her life, but she'll just give the pum pum to the man what she want, cause that's how a woman do. Wah. And when they want, that they go for. They don't go for needs. Get your fucking shit straight. Know when to use the friend zone and when not to use the friend zone. And if you don't know when to use the friend zone, then fuck off with your friendship. Some of the friendship are all crosses. Just gonna stop with him and with the pum pum. That's how you take this for. Ladies, do not become so comfortable to the point where you put a guy in the friend zone and you overlook him as a potential partner. Because I will tell you this, in his eye, as soon as you left a pum pum careless, it gets snatched up. Before me go, watch out my ball. You know what more? Shit. Idiot. Yes, man.